If your deep well water pump keeps losing its prime and dropping from 60 pounds per square inch to 0, you're probably dealing with a hidden air leak, a faulty foot valve, or some sneaky plumbing issue that's letting water slip back down the well. Okay, so first things first, check every single joint and connection on the suction side for air leaks. Like, even the tiniest crack will mess things up and make your pump lose its prime. Get yourself some soapy water and brush it along the fittings, then watch for bubbles while the pump's running. Because if you see bubbles, you've found an air leak. Next up, your foot valve down at the bottom of the well could be faulty or just not seated right. So if it's not holding water, all that prime's gonna slip right back down. If you're not sure about the valve, try pulling the drop pipe and inspecting or replacing that valve. Seriously, don't skip this step even if it was just replaced before. Make sure your well piping is totally airtight by tightening clamps and replacing any old gaskets or tape. Sometimes it's just a bad seal causing all the drama. Double check that the water level in your well isn't dropping too low, especially if you've got 2 houses using it, because if the water goes under the pump intake, it'll suck air and lose prime every time. Don't forget to inspect your pressure switch and pressure tank for leaks or weird behavior. They can throw off the whole system if they're not working right. And honestly, if priming the pump works for a little while but then it loses prime again, it's almost always about air getting in or water leaking out somewhere along that line. One of the top mistakes people make with deep well jet pumps is ignoring tiny air leaks in the suction line, which totally causes recurring priming problems. Grab some plumber's tape and reseal every joint to fix this. Another super common issue is assuming a new or recently replaced foot valve is working perfectly. Sometimes repair jobs don't seat the valve right or use a cheap part. So go back down there and double check or swap it with a high quality valve to stop water from draining back. Finally, people often overlook old or cracked drop pipes that let air in below ground where you can't see. If you suspect this, pull up the pipe and inspect every inch or just replace it with new piping for peace of mind. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with deep well pumps and water systems. If you're a contractor looking for more gigs or want to connect with people who need reliable repairs, BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with real jobs and helps build your reputation in the community.